Hi guys, everybody Lease Lawn Care here. Today we're going to talk to the DIY project people who are doing their spring cleaning. During these troubling times, I want to say thank you to you all who's taking ownership of your own yard and doing your spring cleaning. But we're going to list the benefits of it. A lot of houses are on the market right now, and I've seen it. I live in Illinois. I drive around. I see a lot of houses on the market. So here's the benefits of taking care of the landscaping of your lawn, why a lot of potential buyers are seeking to buy your house. First and foremost, landscaping is probably the cheapest investment you can in your own property per se, because on average houses with landscaping sell for about 5.5 to 12.5% more than a house without landscaping. And we're going to use a house on $100,000 selling point just to make this math a little easier. So to get a upgraded kitchen for a house normally is $16,600 or roughly $150 per square foot. Or if you want to do your bathroom, it's going to be $6,500 or roughly $70,000 per square foot. To maintain your yard and have the hardscaping of the outside of your home beautified and have that curb appeal looking like the buyer want, it's normally going to cost you around $1,164 a year. It's a major decrease because that's roughly 15 cents per square foot. So I just want you all to know that if you're selling your house and you're doing a spring cleanup, yeah, it may be a little backbreaking, but it's going to be totally worth it in the end. This is Eric from Elise. I want you all to know that I'm proud of you. Keep up on your landscaping. I'm driving around, I'm seeing these yards in Illinois look beautiful just as if my team was on it. So just so you know, stay safe, stay home, stay protected, keep those lawns beautified. This is from me to you. You're looking at the Lawn Guys in Pink. Have a great day.